Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to apply NI number in the UK. Now in this video we'll be guiding you through the process of applying successfully for your national insurance number in the UK. So if you're eligible, meaning you're living in the UK and you are 16 years old or over, here is a step-by-step guide to the online application process. Open your browser and search for Apply National Insurance Number on Google. Make sure to select the official UK government website from the search results. Before you start, have your passport and any other important identification documents ready. Now you'll need to answer a series of questions, so be prepared to provide these details about when you moved to the UK and your current address. Now once you've entered your personal details, you'll need to confirm if you want to receive a hard copy of your national insurance number by post. Next, enter your email address and mobile number in the contact information section. You'll need to provide details from your biometric residence permit or BRP. Additionally, you'll be asked to upload a recent photo that meets specific guidelines. Ensure you also upload clear images of your passport and BRP card, making sure all four corners of your documents are visible. As with any application, you'll need to review all your personal details and confirm that you meet the requirements. Once everything looks correct, submit your application by clicking on Accept and Send Application. After your application is successfully submitted, you'll receive a reference number on both your mobile phone and email. This number is important for tracking your application and can also be used for job applications. Do make sure to keep these safe. Would like to let you know that at the time of recording this, applying for national insurance number is free. So this is how you can apply for your national insurance number in the UK, so we wish you success in doing this.